Hi guys. Okay, sorry, the recording cut off. What you are about to witness is pure magic, a secret handed down from ancient times, he says, exaggerating my accent. Is this how American friends treat one another? I don't know what to do. If I get up and leave, Dylan will think I'm a coward who can't take a joke. I decide it's best to sit quietly and wait for it to be over. I look at the lump of half-eaten chili sitting on the table. I can still taste it in my mouth. Maybe the buttermilk and Alma's curry will help wash it away. I use my cloth napkin to wipe up the chili. I'll be sure to throw it away after lunch so Emma won't find any evidence of the chili. I'll also need to keep my shirt buttoned up to hide the bruise on my shoulder. As I open the bottom compartment of my tiffin box, a familiar waft of mustard seeds and onion drifts into the air and I feel relieved. Disgusting, grunts Dylan. What is that? Just a side note, don't food shame people. When people are eating something, telling them their food is bad really hurts people's feelings and it's not very nice at all. I dip my spoon into the rice, scoop some up, and hold it out to him. It's vegetable curry with okra and chickpeas, I say. Do you want to taste it? He looks at me weirdly. Dude, are you kidding? He says, and slaps the spoon out of my hand. Do you think I want to stink like you, curry head? He says, you've been stinking up the place ever since you got here. I hold my nose whenever you walk by. We all do, right? Tom laughs. You got that right, Dill, he says, waving his hand in front of his nose. I can't believe my ears. Is this what Dylan really thinks of me? What they all think? That I smell? How is that even possible when I take 2 showers a day, sometimes 3? If I smell of anything, it should be sandalwood soap and coconut oil. Dylan winks at me and grins. He doesn't look like a movie star anymore. His crooked teeth and beady eyes remind me of Shakti Kapoor, the most notorious villain in Bollywood. All this time, I'd been assuming Dylan wanted to be my friend, but I couldn't have been more wrong. So you remember how he thought Dylan Samreem was so good looking and his hair was so nice and everything because he thought that he was going to be a nice person. And now that he's realizing he's not a nice person, he's seeing that what his looks are like really for real. He doesn't look so good looking anymore. I bet his mother stinks of curry too, shouts Dylan over the laughter. Everybody in the neighborhood does. My face burns and my legs are shaking like they're having a fit. I want to 1. Punch Dylan Samreem in the nose. 2. Insult his mother. And 3. Tell him he looks like Shakti Kapoor. But here's what I do instead. 1. Push up my glasses and rub my nose. 2. Pick up my things. 3. Run away as fast as I can. Dylan doesn't bother to follow me. I can hear him laughing his head off and slapping his sides. Come back, curryhead, he shouts. But I run. I just run like I'm running for my life. So terrible. All right. In your slide 3, what I would like for you to do is track the character changes from Ravi. Okay. So in that blue box, it says, what was the character like in the beginning of the book? Tell me everything you know about Ravi from the beginning of the book. What events made this character change? 3 different events that made the Ravi's character change. And then what is the character like? Not by the end, because it says by the end here, but what is the character like now? If you need any help, my exemplar is right under that. Okay, have fun.